The blinking orange light on your T-Mobile router, often labeled WAN Auth, indicates a problem with your internet connection. Specifically, it means your router is failing to authenticate with T-Mobile's network or is having trouble obtaining an IP address. This issue can stem from several causes, including problems with your wide area network authentication, DHCP server assignments, or broader ISP connectivity issues. It's essential to understand that this light signals a failure to establish a secure and valid connection to T-Mobile's servers, preventing your devices from accessing the internet. The core issues are often related to authentication, DHCP, or the ISP, and may show as a solid or blinking orange light, depending on the specific error. First, check physical connections. Ensure all cables are securely connected to both the router and the wall. Second, perform a power cycle. Unplug your router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often resolves temporary glitches. Third, check signal strength using the T-Mobile app. A weak signal can cause authentication issues. Try relocating the router to a window. Fourth, if the problem persists, perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Note that this will erase your settings. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact T-Mobile support. The issue might require ISP-side account resets or advanced troubleshooting. Use the app with AI-powered diagnostics and check for recent outages due to weather.